Warning, some of the content in this video might be disturbing for some viewers. Viewer discretion is advised.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, call.
This is the senior center, right?
Yeah.
Grab my Kevlar. We don't have a suspect. Yeah, me and my helmet. Yeah. Next 45 for the cat. All we have right now is a single gunshot into the air, correct? Pick up. Yeah, I'm with you. Next 45. We're being told he's on the bench between the buildings. So kind of the, I guess, the eastern end of the building. We'll hold our position until you get here then. No reason to do this with two. Yep. Right over there, sir. Yeah.
You guys have eyes on?
Negative. It's right around this corner. We're hearing something. Mechanical clicking. Who else we got besides you?
Well, there was someone behind me. I don't really know.
We'll take one more.
Want to ask everything? I know real quick.
Yep.
I got it. How far? It's supposed to be side, single side.
If we see him, you have commands, okay?
Can he get into the senior center on this side? I don't know.
I don't think so. The front door is even secured for the most part.
What do you think?
Yep. I was using the cement wall, but I want to clear this corner real quick. I'm going to pop this corner. Yep.
Come up and get one more.
Good here.
Well, we think he's right here on the other side of this.
Okay. Oh, if you did. If you did, let me see.
Blackmail. Suspect had the revolver with the polymer. Stop yelling. Let him have it. Let him have it. Let him have it. K-9's got him. On the poly. On the poly.
Drop the gun! Okay, 4 shots fired. Shots fired. Suspect down. Good. And okay. If you reach for it, you're going to get shot.
X45, we have no suspects here.
Do not move! 17 here. If you move, you're going to get
Give us a
fucking
44
shot.
right now. We have one more with the gun.
Go down on your face. If you reach, you're going to get shot. I'm going to turn around. What? Turn around. Just lay down, straight here on your stomach. It's on my hip. Okay. My dick up. Back up. Do not move.
17 him, go behind us.
Behind you?
Behind me? Okay. 17 him.
Well, so I guess everything now. We're moving on.
X45, next suspect's on scene. Close off. North, I need you here.
Can you put 2 on, please, sir?
Okay, I gotta stop it here. So keep an eye on these officers' body language and their face expressions in this next clip.
We'll figure that out in a second. All right. Which temperature gun on, bud? It's in front of me. Hold your...
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. Someone next to me. Did you fire?
I fired.
Oh, yeah. Did you fire?
Yeah.
I fired. Okay.
I did not.
Copy.
What?
Did you fire?
No.
Okay.
So, I'll have I'm shot through. I'll stay with somebody. I just need someone to take them.
You have on you,
He goes with. All right.
Number 8.
Right.
Just turn any way.
I'm gonna put my dog up. You're gonna stay with me, and then
I need photos.
I'll wait for someone taking you. Okay.
One thing at a time.
Yeah, I got you. I'll take one.
You stay.
Great. Thank you, good sergeant.
Yeah.
Fire.
Oh, look at that. Pat on the back. Good job. Oh, here's another one. Oh, pat on the back. You did a good job, too. Good job. Oh, that's a thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up. Good job. Didn't even think about giving this guy medical attention. They all just walked away from him. He's lying over there. No medical attention. Just give each other pats on the back. Thumbs up. Why don't we throw some high fives in there? This is disgusting. And then they got this guy. He calls himself Sharpshooter with the glasses. Another pat on the back. Good job. You're right here. I'm a sharpshooter. Look at that. He doesn't look like he's phased at all. He looks like he's the happiest one out of all of them. I mean, look at the look on their faces. Look at that. Oh, you can't hold back that smile. This guy looks devastated. Look, you can tell he's a rookie. Look at the look on his face compared to that guy right there. You can tell who the rookies are. That guy in the middle with the glasses on, he looks happy as hell, doesn't he? He's all pointing, yeah, we did a good job. Good job, everybody. Just disgusting. Why haven't they given this guy medical help? They haven't even gone over there to try to help him or anything. Just let him lay there on the ground and...
You stay.
Anchorage Police Department should be ashamed. This is an absolute disgrace to law enforcement. Look at that. He looks happy, doesn't he? Got a smile on his face. Another pat on the back. Oh, good job. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. They're watching this video and they're reading the comments about how they treated that man. They didn't even render him aid.
Yep.
Can you just rip it off, cuz?
Okay. That's what I'm trying to do here.
Oh, my bad.
Is this the holster?
Yeah. Do we need to go up in a second?
Yeah.
Here.
10-10. We don't need to rush this.
Here.
No. Hell no. There is no need for this.
Obviously.
And X45. You can stage medics, but this is pretty hard.
Stay right there.
Not a good time. Go back. Go back. Okay, let's go ahead and move one into the parking lot to the east and start securing this crime scene tape.
I've got crime scene tape too.
We need a car here. You're a witness. We're going to need you.
We need a car on 19. We have a 17. We have crime scene tape.
APD is all 10-2. You guys keep going code, but you can slow it down a little bit. We are all 10-2. I need somebody to come around. There's two SUVs just pulled up. Come around to the east side of the parking lot over here. East side, over here. Get a vehicle over here. And involved officers, I need your body cam. One here.
Hey, do me a favor, guys. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Hit the bell notifications so you're notified every time I upload a video or I go live. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.